Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Bomb Hair Inc. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be showing you how I do a hair transformation using my Bomb Deep Wave hair, using just water and mousse. And the mousse that I'm showing you guys is from Aussie Maximum Hold, so the 3 circles are highlighted. I'll put the link in the description. And what I did is just spray it using a spray bottle, and there's only water in that spray bottle. And then I took some mousse and I started to run my fingers through my Bomb Deep Wave hair first before I brush it. And then I start to brush the mousse through. Again, the hair is already lightly saturated with water, and I'm just using my paddle brush, some people call it a wig brush, and running it through my tresses. So what I want to do is go ahead and spray it a little bit more so that I can have a little more definition. And I'm going to add mousse, which will give it a little bit more hold. So sometimes when you spray it with just water, it'll look good when it's wet, but then when it dries up, it'll still dry up poofy. So you want to make sure that you're adding a nice balance between water and mousse. So water and whatever product you decide to use. So here I am now, just working my way to the back. Again, I'm doing this strategically because I don't want it to be too crunchy, too hard, too defined, and lay flat. I want it to have a nice, sleek, edgy look, and I don't want it to be too poofy either. So here I am running my brush through. You can use a Denman brush. I think a Denman brush is actually better than a paddle brush. That's just my opinion, but that's all I had at the time. Now here I am again, I'm switching between the water and the mousse. So look at the comparison between the side that I put the water on and I put the mousse or product on, and the side that I didn't. It's big and it's poofy, which I like it too. I like it that way also, but I wanted a little bit more definition. So look at the comparison. One side is bigger and poofier. The other side, you can already see the definition. And it's only been about 2 minutes or so, and I'm just easily transforming from big and poofy, which I do love, to defined, sleek, and curly. So it's up to you what look you're going for. Again, this is our Bomb Deep Wave hair. I'm wearing 22 inches. So you kind of have a couple of choices because I have a lot of different options when it comes to the deep wave. Deep wave is so versatile because it's wavy, not too curly, not too wavy. It's just like perfect right in between, and it's perfect summer hair. And when it gets wet, it looks amazing. So you can do 3 bundles of deep wave. You can do 18, 20, and 22, or you can do any combination of like 20 and 22. But I recommend 3 bundles. 4 bundles, if you can, because then it'll be really, really thick and beautiful. And then you can do a matching closure or frontal. I love frontals because of the parting space. And if you do a frontal, do between 18 and 22 inches. Again, that'll be on you as to, what inches you want. I recommend maybe 20 inches frontal, but 18 is fine. So it's 22. Okay. I even seen some do 16. But that will change the look of it a little bit. You can also do a wig. So we have deep wave wigs ready to wear. You can do a lace front one or a full lace one, or you can do the salon in the bag ready to wear wig. And that one has knots that are already bleached. I'm sorry, I'm like excited because it's so amazing, but the knot's already bleached and it's ready to wear, so it's out of the bag, ready to go. So again, you can try the bundles. I think the bundles are easy, they're awesome. Get yourself a matching frontal and a matching closure if you want to protect your hair, or you can do a stock wig, which you'll just have to bleach the knots, and it's so bomb too. Or you can do a ready to wear wig, whatever one you want. Okay, now look at that. And I like to sleek down the top a little bit. You don't have to do that, and I decided to wear a side part, but I just wanted to show you what happens when you add some water and some product. That's all I did. Little water, little mousse. Before and after, boom. Okay, so here is the finished product. Get it at shopbombhair.com. Thanks for watching, bombshells. Don't forget to